What is up, guys? So today we have a very exciting build. We have my personal 370Z. So I've had this car for a little over a year now and done a couple small things to it, nothing really huge, but that's about to change. So over the past probably 4 months, it's had some neglect. Some things have broken, some things have not held together right, and I haven't done much to it. So I'm really excited to start working on it again and get everything back up to how it's supposed to be. I'll show you some of the problems right now. Okay, so here she is. The first problem you can see is one of the headlights. This one right here does have moisture in it. That bothers me so much, and I cannot wait to get rid of that. Another thing, I did have a carbon fiber hood on it, and the sun has faded it so bad. Here, I think you can see it better, to where the gel coat on it has burnt onto it almost, and it used to be very glossy, and now it's like a matte, and I absolutely hate that. Walking around here, this bumper is broke. It got hit, and I've scraped so many times that it has cracked the entire bottom. Now this fender does have a crinkle in it right here. I don't know if you can see it on camera, and then a pretty nasty door ding as well. And these rims are absolutely brutal. They are the stock ones that came on it, and they are incredibly curved and nasty, and I cannot wait to get rid of them. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do today is just give it a really good wash, get it ready to go to the body shop. And once we get to the body shop, I do already have all the parts for it, and I'll show it to you guys as well. But right now we're just going to wash it up, and I'll see you when we're done. Okay, so driving this thing, the front tires have worn on the insides of them, and that has caused it to warp in the middle, so the wheel is kind of all over the place. I know I'm on limited time with these tires. I hope I don't have a blowout just going to the body shop, but while it's being worked on in the body shop, we're gonna get new wheels and tires for it, and that's gonna be a little bit of a surprise, so you're gonna want to stay tuned for that. It's gonna be something big. damage assessment. This, boys, is why you do not lower your car. It will scrape on everything, including putting big fat holes in it and basically just destroying itself. Alright, we are in the process of taking the first fender off. Turns out you gotta take the headlight out before you can take the fender off, which I guess makes sense. So that's what we're working on now, and we'll get back to you when it's off. This bolt will not come out. Oh, wait. Just kidding. Ready? Really thought that was gonna come off.
I think you missed one.
I really thought that was gonna come off. Wait, is there one down in here? It feels like, oh, we didn't take the fender liner off.
Oh,
That's what it is.
that could be it, yeah.
Dude, the bottom. I don't want to bend it, but like, there's nothing down. Oh, there's a nut and a bolt right there. So we have to take the skirt off to get the fender off? I think we might. Does it just...
We might just have to take the plastic off.
This?
Yeah, your plastic fender well thing.
So.
Because that runs in front of it.
No, it's like a bolt like under here. That like goes through it. Alright, the last thing. Thank you. That's just big. We got one off. Holy crap, that looks terrible. Alright, so the fenders we went with were the Z1 Motorsports, the unpainted but with the partial carbon here. I think it's going to look nice with the carbon that's already on it. And I don't really know where they're going to fit, but we are about to find that out.
Skid plate
This
thing.
is kind of already pre-drilled on this one, I think. I'm just going to try and put some bolts in it and see what happens. Okay, so I'm going to push this. I'm going to push this to where it's lined up with the hood. And we're going to open the hood. And then I'm going to keep it here and then we're going to mark it somehow. Okay, so hang on. You're 100% gonna break that. 100% gonna break that.
I'm gonna break it. I'm the only thing gonna break it.
What is it?
Did not break
Did you break it?
That's 2.
This fender does not line up as well as the other one because that's the problem with like buying aftermarket fenders. They aren't like perfectly made for the car. So like you can see here at the top and the bottom, it's a whole lot closer than it is in the middle. So what we're gonna try and do is sand away at the top and the bottom here, hopefully to make a nice even line all the way across and kind of give it that stock look that we're going for. And we'll just keep sanding, we'll keep you updated. Got this fender lined up pretty good now with the sanding. The line is kind of even, pretty much even all the way. And so now we're gonna try and put a bolt in it and see if we can get it to stay like that. So what had happened is we were drilling holes in here so we could install the bumper, and we pulled the drill out and there's a wire attached to it. So we realized that we just drilled completely through the wiring harness, and we're gonna figure out what exactly I did to it because that could get very ugly very fast. We're gonna strip that away and see if we can look. Okay, so here is the orange wire that we hit. This is not good. Oh my gosh, I can't even find the other end of it. Okay, so here it is. I wonder if that one was important.
Just the orange one?
Yeah. So it's just the orange one.
You got lucky there.
So I guess we'll have some wiring to do next time we come in here. Oh my gosh. Alright guys, that's gonna wrap it up for day one of the 370Z refresh. So today what we got done was the fenders. We got the old ones off, the new ones on. We did that on both sides, I guess. Took off the side skirts, everything like that to get them on. And then we started to put the front bumper on. Unfortunately, that ended with me putting a drill bit right through what we think is a AC condenser wire. So hopefully it won't be hard to fix because here in Florida, we definitely need AC. So that was pretty dumb. That's pretty dumb on my part. But that's gonna wrap it up for this episode, and we'll see you in the next one.